Stark State's RN to BSN program is a critical stepping stone for nurses who want to advance their careers.
Our RN to BSN completion program gives students, once they have already finished their associate degree in nursing, that option to return into a bachelor's program.
It was great to get my foot in the door with an associate's, but many hospitals are requiring a bachelor's. As soon as I heard about Stark State offering it, I had to jump on it for sure.
At Akron Children's, we always welcome bachelor's prepared nurses. They have great clinical experience, and that impacts the quality of care that our patients receive.
The BSN is that stepping stone onto a master's, a PhD, and that's kind of where I'm looking at with my education.
Some of the benefits include advancement in rank, increase in job opportunities, increase in potential higher earnings.
If I wanted to go into a managerial position or if I wanted to go into a teaching position, a BSN is so important to taking that next step. The online format was definitely one of the reasons I chose the program. I thought it would be a lot more difficult to obtain my BSN. Being able to do things from my own home at the pace that I need to is just amazing.
Our flexible coursework, designed for that working nurse, focuses on real-world application in our program, as well as building on advanced clinical skills, evidence-based practice care, and leadership skills, which will help prepare those transitions from the RN role into that BSN role.
Our instructors here at Stark State College are dedicated not just to our students, but to the nursing profession. They have a passion for nursing education to assist our students to be the best nurses they can be.
Even being online, there's still that family feeling. The instructors have been phenomenal. They get back to you extremely quickly. They make time for you, faculty hours that you can attend, online face-to-face meetings that you can have. It's almost like being inside the classroom, but not requiring you to come into the actual campus.
Our tuition beats out all the other schools in our area. The cost is manageable for our community members at all ages.
It's one of the most affordable colleges in the state of Ohio, and having the ability to pay out of pocket instead of having to accrue multiple thousands of dollars of loans is just invaluable. The majority of classes are online, but there is a capstone project that you work with your hospital or a hospital that you're really interested in contributing work to. The school and the hospital go hand in hand in creating a project that can benefit the hospital itself and the patients there.
There is a huge demand for RNs in general at the bedside, but the leadership roles that require a BSN are in high demand.
Akron Children's has hired a lot of Stark State alumni over the years, and they've consistently demonstrated patient care-centered approaches, a commitment to healthcare, and they've been a wonderful asset to our team.